Well, good morning, YouTube, or whatever it is, wherever you're at. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and it's Tuesday morning, Tuesday morning, 9/3/2024, September 3rd, 2024. Boy, I hope everybody's having a good day and off to a good week. Having a holiday on Monday kind of throws you off a little bit, but that's okay. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. My post office box was actually able to, go and get my mail. It wasn't closed for Labor Day, for the holiday. So, yeah, I was able to get my mail and get it, figured out what it was, and went and picked something, so I won't be getting more mail there on that one. I'm trying to get it to where I have as much paperless as possible, because I'm trying to do just the bare minimum for needs on a virtual mailbox, and I'm using Anytime mailbox. So far, I'm really liking them. I've had them for a couple months now. And I don't know. Anyway, it's Anytime mailbox. That is who I am using. So far, like I said, they're doing good, and I'm happy with them. And that's a good thing, because I'm going to need a mailbox here to get things in the mail. And I'm trying to get that set up, and I need to get my aunt on it so she can be one of the recipients and go pick stuff up if necessary, and have her down as also a forwarding address for the couple that I want to, that she might not be able to get. I can just forward it to her house, but hopefully just have her pick it up. So yay. But anyway, kind of did a little bit of that today and such. On a different note, there are some turds in the world, and somebody sent me an email, actually two of them, and I just went ahead and blocked them. They weren't worth having in there. But hey, some people are just turds and need to be flushed, and past that, as far as I'm concerned, that person does not even deserve used toilet paper. Just hit the lever and kafloosh. Some people are just sick in the head that way, and that's their problem, not mine. So going on past that, we don't need those kind of problems. I don't, believe me, I believe everybody gets to be whatever way they want to be. Doesn't mean I have to associate with them or respond to them. So, kaflush. It is what it is. All right. As for things, I'm going to try to get some stuff that I've got that I know I'm going to take with me. I'm going to try to put it in some suitcases and get it out of the way when I get home today. Hopefully get that done and have some space, because I have the suitcases, and anything that's in there can just be rolled around when I need to get them out of the way. And so, positive note there, get it out of the way. And I'm still trying to figure out a bunch of things that, I don't need them. There's more stuff that I don't need that, and I'm just throwing it in the trash can. I could possibly, kind of like a couple of the books I've got. I might make $1 off of them, or 50 cents, or a quarter. But yeah, there's just some stuff that is, yeah, I've got to get a garage sale going on. I really do. And as for this month, I've got let's see, I got a blood donation scheduled, I got a doctor's visit scheduled, and I got a colonoscopy scheduled. Yeah, Crunch, I know it's there, and because that's such a fun thing to have scheduled in your life. Don't we all want to have our backside turned into a movie scene set? Thank you. It's an exit, and they're trying to make it an entrance. Amazing the crap that happens to you when you get old. But hey, last time they checked, about 5 years ago, they pulled 3 of them out, and one of them was precancerous. So, yay. I'm going back in there and have them look at them again. Don't need those kind of problems. So, yeah, because, yeah. I hate doctor's visits. I hate what they're going to do with this. But it's better than coming down with some. Oh, and on top of that, I also have, they're doing a prostate cancer test just to see. So, yay, because all these tests, that's so much what I want in my life. But that'll put me off for another 5 years on the one and give me an idea if there's any problem on the other, and just plain up doctor's visit. And yeah, trying to lose the weight. I don't know, I think I'm not losing weight, but I'm losing fat. I think I'm gaining muscle or something. It's kind of scary. It is what it is. Might be part of the high protein diet. I don't know. Anyway, more of that fun stuff to try to figure out and live with. Gonna be getting in touch with the pharmacist about my vaccines to see if any more of them, they weren't open today, see if any more of them were, of my vaccines are able to be put on my insurance this year, because they changed something here a month ago, and I haven't checked it since. So 2 months ago, haven't checked it since, and might have had a change in what is available to be gotten with them paying for it. So, and yeah, got one of my medical bills in for cover my deductible. So, yay! That's okay. It's part of the deal. Anyway, so much fun. Because, hey, that's what everybody wants to do, is have to go to the doctor's office. But mainly it's to, check and make sure I am still in one piece. Yeah. And I've got to make sure, the high blood pressure, need to take and make sure I keep that stuff going, because I've had a couple times that I've gone for 4 or 5 days, just forgot about it, was doing something else and wasn't paying attention, and when that happens, my blood pressure starts getting weird, and I've started getting to where I notice when my blood pressure is getting weird, so I try not to do things like miss medicine. Usually I only miss it for a day, 2 at the most, before I start realizing, oh, hey, something's weird. Get it taken care of. So, yeah. I don't know. I would prefer not to have medicine for the rest of my life, but apparently high blood pressure is not one you want to mess with, and a lot of folks say that they've got over there to the Philippines, and because of losing the stress of being over here, and I don't have a lot of stress, but I do run across some. I'm learning to let go better. It's just not worth the headache. But yeah, trying to get that figured out and take care of this, that, and the other. Always got bills to pay. Such fun. But yeah, I'm gonna try to cover part of that deductible thing that showed up and do the other part next month. That'll slow me down on getting my debt taken care of, but it'll keep one from becoming debt with interest. So yeah, I mean, I could put it on a credit card and end up with 25% interest. Thanks, no, it's not that big, and I can cover it most this month and part of it again next month. Do 150 this month and 100 next month and not have to worry about it. I just don't end up paying as much to reducing my debt as I would like, but it gets it out of the way so it doesn't become more on a credit card. So yay. And yes, I'm trying to get rid of debt on my credit cards, because that stuff's such fun. Believe me, I don't want to have any kind of problems with that stuff. So getting it taken care of and shooting to get as much of it taken care of beforehand. And right now it's looking pretty good for me leaving out of here with very little debt at all. I'm trying to also work on paying off one of my student loans before I get it over there, and then just continue pay, 50 or $100 on it until I get it taken care of. And hey, I'm under 5,000. I think I'm like 4,500 on student loan debt. So get the one taken care of, and I'm down to 3,500. And that one at $100 will be gone in 3 years. Hair over. So yeah, try to get all that taken care of, because hey, I really don't feel like having too much debt when I'm over there getting to enjoy life. It is what it is, though, and I might just go ahead and completely pay it all off when I sell my house. And I mean, I'll probably do that because I really don't want to carry any, but every bit I get to pay off before then is just less that'll come out of that later. So yay. Debt, such fun. But yeah, I was mentioning budget. At this point, I'm planning on, for the first 3 months, which will be kind of an expensive point in my life, try to avoid spending a lot of money. $10,000 is a lot of money, but it'll get me my eyes worked on, my a scooter of some sort over there, and that's another thing, and get me set up for getting into some sort of a place for the 3 months or 2 months that I'll be over in Iloilo for my getting my eyes, because I want to be around for the eye doctor. I'll still get to check out a few islands while there and use that as an anchor for that area. And then once I get full clear from my doctor for my eyes, I'll just start doing the boot, scoot, and boogie. And I think I might try that section of AH-26 and go up to Batangas. Anyway, it's one of the ports on the south edge of the big part of Luzon. and then go up from there like near Towel and catch the AH-26 and ride it around to the bottom of Luzon over through Naga City and such. There's a bunch of areas there that look like they would be interesting. And I'm not going to do this as just blaze through. I want to take my time, check out. I could just ride and barrel through and be from one end of that one end all the way over to the south end of Luzon in a day, or a week, or most, probably even less than that. I've seen some folks that did it in 3 days, 2 days, something like that. But yeah, why burn through and just tear butt through there? I can stop and enjoy checking things out, and there's bound to be a beach somewhere around there that needs a fish caught. So yeah, get over there and start hunting down a beach to drop a hook on, because hey, like I said, there's fish that needs me to drag them out of the water. Fresh food, it's good. But yeah, also look in that area and see if it is someplace that I would consider, especially if I find a good beach. But yeah, I want to try and, like I say, part of what I want to do is ride AH-26, AH-26, and it'll be done in parts. But hey, eventually I'll get the whole thing if I can, if I last long enough. That's the point of life, isn't it? Go out and enjoy living. I'm going over there so I can become slow and easy and not stressed out. And do I want to travel 50 miles today, or 100 kilometers today, or do I just want to run 20 kilometers today and call it a day? Or do I want to stay here and check out a place for a couple days? There's a lot of dang islands there that all need to be checked out, or at least the most of the big ones. I don't know if I can hit the 100 biggest islands, in a couple of years' time. I think that'd be a good thing. And there's so many little islands around there. So yeah, I want to go and enjoy. Oh, do I want to go and enjoy? That's why I'm making and doing what I'm doing now, is to take and get there. Anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I hope you had a good meal and an enjoyable weekend wherever you are. And yeah, stay full, eat a lot of good food. It's important. Anyway, I'm Williams Philippines. Later blessings and bye-bye. And I'm Fish, and well, Fish is out.